Hey there, struggling with your adjustable Tempur-Pedic bed remote? Don't worry. This week, I've got a simple and effective guide on how to reset remote to Tempur-Pedic bed just for you. Whether your bed isn't responding or the remote seems out of sync, resetting it might be the quick fix you need. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your remote and bed. Before diving into the resetting process, ensure that your remote and bed are ready. Check the batteries. Ensure fresh, fully charged batteries are installed in the remote. Weak batteries could be the reason your remote isn't functioning properly. If needed, replace the batteries to rule out power issues. Power supply. Make sure your bed is properly plugged into a functioning power outlet. Loose connections can prevent the bed from responding to remote command. Manual and bed model. Refer to your Tempur-Pedic bed manual for specific instructions related to your model, as different models may have slightly different procedures. Step 2. Reset the remote. Now it's time to reset the remote. Locate the reset button. Find the reset button on the side or back of the remote. If your remote doesn't have a dedicated reset button, proceed with the following steps. Press and hold. Press and hold the reset button or function combination for several seconds. Typically, this is around 5 to 10 seconds, but could vary depending on your model. Release and wait. Release the button and wait a few moments. This should reset the connection between the remote and bed. If your bed hasn't responded, don't worry. There's one more step to try. Step 3. Repair the remote with your bed. If the bed is still unresponsive, you may need to repair the remote with your bed. Power cycle the bed. Unplug the power cord from the outlet and wait about 30 seconds before plugging it back in. This resets the bed's electronics and can clear up any glitches. Activate pairing mode. Depending on your bed model, there might be a pairing button under the bed or near the power unit. Press and hold this button until you see an indicator light blinking. Pair the remote. Within a few seconds of activating pairing mode, press any button on your remote to complete the pairing process. If done correctly, your bed should respond to the remote once more. Step 4. Test the functionality. It's time to test the functionality of your bed and remote. Try various commands. Use the remote to adjust your bed's position. Elevate the head or foot sections and test any massage functions if applicable. Observe responsiveness. The bed should respond immediately and accurately to the remote's commands. If it doesn't, double-check the power connections and repeat the steps if necessary. Review warranty options. If these steps haven't resolved the issue, it might be time to consult Tempur-Pedic support or consider warranty options for further assistance. There you have it. Simple steps on how to reset remote to Tempur-Pedic bed and get everything back in sync. Remember, ensuring fresh batteries, proper power connections, and correct steps are essential to smooth operations. Always prioritize safety, and if needed, don't hesitate to reach out to Tempur-Pedic's customer support for help. With these tips, you can enjoy a restful, uninterrupted night's sleep on your Tempur-Pedic bed once again. Sweet dreams.